Ever wonder why your eyelashes seem to have a mind of their own? Why they refuse to grow or why they fall out? You may be falling prey to common misconceptions about eyelash care. Many believe that eyelashes instantly regenerate when they fall out, or that mascara causes irreversible damage. These misconceptions, however, can do more harm than good to your lash health and growth. Now that we've debunked some myths, let's dive into the steps to keep your eyelashes healthy and beautiful. Taking care of your eyelashes doesn't have to be a mystery. Follow these simple steps for healthier, fuller lashes. Firstly, remember to clean your eyelashes daily. Just as you would cleanse your face, your lashes need the same attention to remove dirt and makeup residues. This promotes lash health and prevents infections. Secondly, try not to overuse mascara. While it can make your lashes appear longer and fuller, excessive use can lead to lash breakage and loss. When you do use mascara, opt for ones that are free of harmful chemicals. Thirdly, always use a clean brush for application. A dirty brush not only hampers the application process, but can also introduce bacteria and cause infections. So ensure your brushes are clean before every use. Next, when removing makeup, be gentle with your lashes. Don't tug or pull at them. Instead, use a gentle makeup remover and lightly sweep it over your lashes. Lastly, a balanced diet plays a crucial role in eyelash health. Nutrients like vitamin E, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids promote lash growth and strength. Incorporating foods rich in these nutrients, such as avocados, salmon, and nuts into your diet can do wonders for your lashes. By following these steps, you can keep your eyelashes in top shape. But remember, consistency is key. To recap, eyelash care isn't as complicated as it may seem. Throughout this video, we've addressed some prevailing misconceptions, like the false belief that mascara damages lashes or that trimming them makes them grow longer. We've debunked these myths, showing that with the right knowledge, you can easily maintain your lashes' health. We've also walked through a step-by-step guide to proper eyelash care, highlighting the importance of a good cleansing routine, the use of oil-based removers, and the benefits of a lash serum. We've emphasized the significance of keeping your lashes moisturized to prevent breakage and stressed the need for a diet rich in proteins and vitamins for lash growth. Remember, consistency is key. Regular lash care is not just about looking good, it's about maintaining the health of your eyes. It's not an overnight process. It takes time and patience. With a little care and patience, you can have the healthy, beautiful lashes you've always wanted. So go ahead, bat those eyes with confidence.